Last night, on President Trump's orders, U.S. Central Command conducted a precision strike in the middle of the night against 3 nuclear facilities in Iran. It was an incredible and overwhelming success. We devastated the Iranian nuclear program. When this president speaks, the world should listen. And the U.S. military, we can back it up. He sent out a truth last night saying this: any retaliation by Iran against the United States of America will be met with force far greater than what was witnessed tonight. A strike that included the longest B-2 Spirit bomber mission since 2001 and the first operational employment of the MOP, a massive ordnance penetrator.
Executed Operation Midnight Hammer, a deliberate and precise strike against 3 Iranian nuclear facilities.